This Pokemon Red won't boot. Let's fix it. Let's try a quick solder reflow first. We'll load up all the joints with flux, then use an iron to reflow them. This remelts the solder and fixes any cracks that could have occurred over time. And it still doesn't boot. After a closer look at the PCB, I found little spots of corrosion. There was one trace that didn't have continuity across a spot of corrosion, and that might be our problem. I'll use some 30 gauge wire to jump this broken trace. And just like that, this game is repaired.